Hey there, tech-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic lined up for all you Microsoft Edge users out there. If you're tired of those distracting sidebars cluttering up your browsing space, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to easily turn off the sidebar on Microsoft Edge and regain your screen real estate. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. To disable the Edge sidebar, use these steps. Open Microsoft Edge. Click the settings and more. This is the three-dotted button on the top right part of the browser. Click on Settings. Click on Sidebar. Turn off the Always Show Sidebar. Toggle Switch. Thanks for tuning in. If you want to stay connected and never miss a helpful video like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We look forward to sharing more exciting tech tips with you soon.